Russian drone and missile strikes on Kyiv have resulted in at least 3 deaths and left over 600,000 people without power. This attack coincides with ongoing peace negotiations, highlighting the persistent volatility in the region. The strikes underscore the continued demand for defense and counter-drone technologies as nations seek to bolster their security measures. In a significant development, the U.S. has approved the export of AIM-260A JATM missiles to Australia. This move marks a pivotal step in military cooperation and technology sharing between the two nations, enhancing Australia's defense capabilities and signaling a strengthening of alliances in the Indo-Pacific region. Spain's Navantia has secured a €3.2 billion contract to modernize its F-100 frigates, extending their service life until 2045. This modernization effort will not only enhance Spain's naval capabilities, but also stimulate economic activity, supporting thousands of jobs over the next decade. Denmark has placed a €500 million order for NASAMS air defense systems, boosting its military capabilities with advanced missile technology. This procurement reflects Denmark's commitment to strengthening its defense infrastructure amid growing regional security concerns. And Netherlands is developing a mobile anti-drone system to address immediate threats, ahead of the delivery of Rheinmetall's Skyranger 30. This initiative highlights the increasing importance of counter-drone technologies in modern military strategies, as nations seek to protect their airspace from emerging threats. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its shares rise by 1.62% to $168.45, buoyed by increased defense budgets. The company's strong position in defense analytics and data integration makes it a key player as governments ramp up spending on defense technologies. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a modest increase of 0.10% to $279.46. The ongoing demand for drones in Ukraine, driven by the recent Russian strikes, continues to support the company's growth prospects in the defense sector. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, rose by 0.44% to $76.10, reflecting the growing demand for anti-drone systems. The company's expertise in counter-unmanned aerial systems positions it well to capitalize on this expanding market. Raytheon Technologies, ticker symbol RTX, climbed 0.99% to $174.91 following Denmark's order for NASAMS air defense systems. This contract reinforces Raytheon's strong order book and underscores its role in providing advanced missile systems to NATO allies. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, increased by 0.81% to $457.86, benefiting from the U.S. approval of missile exports to allies like Australia. The company's robust portfolio in missile technology and defense exports continues to drive its market performance. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor defense stocks benefiting from increased budgets and exports. 2. Watch drone and counter-drone tech firms amid rising demand. 3. Follow naval modernization projects for long-term growth opportunities.